initially we were having a library, but there was a paucity of tables and chairs. The place was not attractive at all. So that for that matter, the students and the teachers were not coming here. And we had an information that the Ghana Library Authority will come into our aid to help us do the renovation. And then they came. As we can see, the whole place has changed. We now have the computers, the keepiness, tables. As I said it earlier, we were having only 2 tables and 6 chairs. And then there was a big problem for us.
So since we came to this place, I say after the inauguration of this new library it has been able to take numerous of students, and also some books that we couldn't get. Now we are having them by the help of the government. We are having them, and the students are able to come here anytime they wish to come, and also learn anything they want to learn with the books they have. The computers too as well, it's helping the students. At first, what we used to have at library, we couldn't have any computer then. So in case maybe the books couldn't give us an accurate explanation, want to make a research, we couldn't get anything to make that research. But since we came here, we had the computers in this new library. We are able to make any research of our choice, maybe in a form of maybe debating, we want to give artifacts. We can just go link up with Google to get us more explanations to whatever we want to search of.
This thing has encouraged the teachers and the students to attend to the library, because as I speak right now, the place looks so attractive. So we thank them for what they've really done for us.